sa inyong personal reaction?
Sa law manggod, nga atay ginaingon na Duralex sed lex. The law is harsh, but it is the law. Naatay mga balaod to maintain peace and order, to maintain kanang maayos ang pamumuhay, di ba? Kaya meron tayong mga law. Now, there's a statement that we can bend the law to please some other people. In the first place, sino yung some other people? Okay. I don't think na he is referring to taong bayan. But nevertheless, as I have said sa beginning ng aking comment, Duralex sed lex. Ang effect nun sa mga hindi masyadong nakakaintindi, hindi nakakaalam, yun na nga, na ay pwede pala pag it is comfortable for me to do these things kahit or to do this thing kahit na mali, kahit na against the law, pwede pala, which is mali nga yun na statement. I would say it's misleading. It is a misleading statement. Kasi tama yon for the ordinary people hearing that and coming from him, coming from somebody whom we have placed in that hallowed hall, di ba? Parang akala nila totoo yun. Pero mali yung statement na yun. As I mentioned, Duralex sed lex. The law is harsh, but it is the law.
Okay, wala ko na.
Inagrihan yung statement ni Tulfo ni Secretary mismo ng Justice na si
Well, I'm speaking as a lawyer. I'm speaking of what I have learned. Well, kung Secretary Remulla agreed to that statement, well, that is his opinion. But I believe that is not the law.
Ma'am, dito sa context, focusing sa context so nga pwede ra himuon na state witness as long as ibalik ang kwarta first. So dito ang lalis eh. As a lawyer, unsa ba ang dapat? Of course, Attorney Marcoleta already stated nga inaani ang proseso. Ginabalik kasi sa unsa nga point pwede naabay possible na punto nga pwedeng mag-bend ang law.
Kanang good katong imong ingon nga possible. Delikado man gud yun. Kasi lahat na magiging possible. Every time na merong pagkakamali, merong misunderstanding or dili gisunod nga balaod, may na siya nga, ay posible di ay. Pero as to your question as regarding state witness, there are requirements that has to be complied before one has to be a state witness. Meron yan. Bago ka maging state witness, meron yan mga requirements sa law. Para bang, you have to pass those requirements bago ka maging state witness. Now, kailangan i-apply yun para maging state witness as isang tao. Hindi lang lahat ng gustong maging state witness or lahat ng gusto nating gawing state witness can be a state witness without passing through those requirements as provided by law. Naanay mga requirements.
Okay, thank you po.
Yung mo gabriya ng topic. Ma'am, with regards po doon, no, sabi kasi na ilanggi mo na ilang ginapangayo nga kuan, ginapangayo na requirement no para maging state witness is dapat ibalik daw tong ibalik tong ilang gikawat. Meaning ang ilang ginano is murag restitution. Unsa ba ang process about restitution? pwede ba na magbuot lang ang DOJ for that? Na ibalik ninyo without a case even filed in court?
Tinanong mo na, even without a case filed in court, restitutions comes only after a decision is made. Okay. Kaya kailangan, paano makarating tayo sa decision? Kailangan merong complaint. Then it has to be tried, it has to be scrutinized by the court, evidence will be analyzed, appreciated. Then if the decision says that that person is guilty and he has to return whatever was taken, that is what we call restitution.
Pero on that hearings, no, na parang mo nilang ginaingon justice, no, kailangan ibalik nila yun o ibalik. Sa budget ang kuan na kimrag naglibog ng mga tao kay there are some agreed to the call na dapat ibalik ng mga diskaya ang ilang nakuha without even proof na kinawat tong ilahang nakuha ng contract.
Just like I have said earlier, kailangan ma-determine talaga kung ano ba, kung ma-determine ng court what is the real score. Kung kailangan ba, mayroon bang ebidensya talaga. But, if the Vizcayas voluntarily surrender all those things na sinasabi natin in quotes illegally taken, why not, di ba? Kung voluntary, but we cannot demand until such time that it is proven na it was illegally taken and that after it is my decision ang court will decide as to the appreciation of the evidence and to the restitution of these mga properties.
So dapat voluntary, not demanded.
Yeah. We at this point we cannot demand, di ba? I say demand kasi hindi pa natin napatunayan, di ba? Pero pag may decision na and merong decision na it was illegally taken nila, then they have to restore, they have to restitute. But at this point, even without going through the process, kung mag-decide sila or they voluntarily decide to surrender to the isoli nila yung kanilang mga nakuha, why not?
Okay, thank you.
There is a question here na may punishment na ba daw? Sabi ko, mag-antay tayo ng desisyon. Wala pa man, di ba? Wala pa. Oo. Sorry. That's